Hey guys, and welcome to Tuesday recommendations number 3. In this video, we have Sing It Karaoke Battles on Roblox. I really like this game because I like singing. I don't know if you like singing or not, but if you like singing, you will really like this game. You're also able to listen to other people sing the song. But you do have to kind of be quick and grab a song that you want to sing, and it's only for like a few seconds until you're done singing. It's not like a karaoke, it's more like a singing battle where you don't have to sing the whole song. So I think it's super chill. It's very fun. So you can, like, at the start, pick the genres and the like years of the song that you kind of want to recommend, and after that they'll have you later sing when you grab the song. Here's me singing a song, I guess, on this game. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Am I done? Oh, okay. And that is it for this recommendation. Let me know if you like this game or not, and if you would recommend this game to anybody who plays Roblox. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!